I can't find my Nomex flyers. I don't know where they are. Sorry, guys. Anyway, here today to talk to you about the game. This is also an eBay nightmare video, but we'll get on to that in a little bit. GameFace Mayhem pistol. These are made again by KWC. These are very close copies to the original KWC Sigma, I think SW40F pistols. They have the long and the short magazines, but this one does have some differences that make it impossible to repair unless you have the GameFace Mayhem edition. So, let me bring a bit closer to the magazines here. Let me show you real quick. I think this one has... Yep, it does. So, here we go. It fits. And then it does that. Oh. It works. I can't believe it. It didn't work before. But anyway, so let me show you closer what the nightmare part about this was. That's awesome. So here comes the nightmare. So it looks like a regular SWF40, except look very close at the body. Okay, GameFace markings, and then look at that. Look at all that shitty spray paint on there. And then there's also markings of green, and then most offensive of all are these white painted dot sights. I mean, it's just such a shitty paint job. And I think they spray painted the lower body black too. Everything on here works. Everything on here is good. Now, difference between these guys, like the regular ones, is that they use a different blowback nozzle, although you can change them out. It's exactly the same. But when you change these guys out, show you what happens. Here's a magazine, by the way. Really offensive paint job. These use the screw things, CO2 holders. I'm not sure what you want to call it. And they do take different models of the base plate, like the silver metal ones, the plastic ones. But and again, this one, oh god, just a paint job. But it uses a different output valve, and then the thing that holds the router, and then the output valve, it's a metal piece, was totally broken. See, it's missing. And that was not advertised. Half of it was broken, and the back half that was there, was sticking up, and it was actually blocking the pistol from working, so I had to cut that out. But at the same time, there's nothing to hold the gas router in at that point. So I was really pissed off. Okay, so although I was able to swap the nozzle unit, and I did get it to work. If you have to swap magazines with that nozzle unit, you would have to swap the router and then this top piece here, except they don't fit. Hooray! See that? They're just a hair different. This one goes all the way to the back, whereas the GameFace model, it does not. So the GameFace model is almost impossible to repair in most areas than the regular KWC Smith & Wesson 40F. But now that we got this guy working, see? Slide racks. You saw it fire earlier. I think it shoots about 300 FPS with CO2, but that's just a warning on this nightmare purchase. And there was green spray paint all over the inside. I don't know what the fuck they did to this guy, but it was a big mistake. I think there must have been like a 12-year-old doing the spray painting. The seller was awesome. He did a no questions asked refund with equipment that he's going to show me a picture of. I'm going to take him up on that, but anyway. That was this guy, which I just discovered is working, but is simultaneously also broken. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and ask for additional pictures before you buy something on eBay. This was $60. Not a bad deal. Alright, thank you for watching. That was my video, and I hope you enjoyed it.